Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to N8N. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to automate your WhatsApp business messages and create powerful workflows that respond to customer inquiries automatically. Let's start by heading over to n8n.io. Once you're on the page, you'll need to type in your credentials to log in. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed straight to your N8N dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your automation workflows. From here, take a look at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your WhatsApp connection. After clicking Create Workflow, you'll be taken to your N8N Workflow Editor. Here, you'll notice two distinct ways to create your workflow. The first option is to build manually, which you'll see as the Add First Step option. The second option allows you to build with AI, which can be helpful for more complex automations. For our purposes today, we'll be using the manual approach as it gives us more control over the setup process. To connect WhatsApp to your N8N, click on the Add First Step button. Once you do this, a right side panel will appear on your screen. This panel contains all the available integrations and triggers you can use. Look for the search bar within this panel and type in WhatsApp from the search results that appear. You'll want to click on WhatsApp Business Cloud. This is the official integration that connects N8N with WhatsApp's business platform. After selecting it, you'll need to choose a trigger command. For this tutorial, we'll be using onMessage, which means your workflow will activate whenever a new message is received. Now that the trigger has been added to your workflow, you'll see a section labeled Credentials to connect with. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Plus Create New Credentials. This step is crucial because it establishes the secure connection between N8N, your WhatsApp business account. To proceed, you'll need to provide two key pieces of information, your client ID and your client secret. If you've already added your WhatsApp to other messaging apps such as Meta Business Suite, this next part will be straightforward. Open your Meta Business Suite settings page in a new tab under the Accounts section. Look for WhatsApp Accounts and click on it. You'll see a plus add button on the top right part of your screen. Click this button, then select Create New WhatsApp Business Account from the options presented. This process will guide you through adding your phone number and verifying it. Once verification is complete, you'll be presented with both your client ID and client secret. Copy these credentials carefully. Head back to your N8N workflow and paste the client ID and client secret into their respective fields. This completes the authentication process and establishes the connection between WhatsApp and N8N. Your WhatsApp business account is now successfully connected to N8N, and you can start building automated workflows that respond to customer messages, send notifications, or integrate with other apps in your business ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.